Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you need to find the document you want on SCRIBD. Search for it using the search bar or browse through categories. Once you locate the PDF, click on it to open the document preview. Step 2. Look for the download button on the document page. It's usually located near the top right corner. You might see options like download, export, or save. Click whichever option appears to download the file to your device. Step 3. Choose your preferred file format. SCRIBD might offer multiple formats like PDF, Word, or EPUB. Select PDF if you want the original format. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device before proceeding. Step 4. Check your download folder to confirm the file has been saved. On most devices, downloads go to your Downloads folder. You can now open the PDF using any PDF reader app like Adobe Reader or your browser. Step 5. If you're having trouble downloading, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. Try using a different browser if the first one doesn't work. These steps should help you successfully download PDFs from SCRIBD in 2026.